Good morning, y'all. I'm finna get ready to make coffee. Let's make coffee. So anyway, we ready to go. I don't know. Anyway, I just got ready to go. So we just got ready to go. I got on this white long sleeve t-shirt, pink parachute pants, and my pink and white Converse. That's what we have on. Because we just going to run errands. We just going to run errands. Girl, first of all, the thing with recording yourself every day, the thing with talking to y'all is, girl, the place you have to just prop up and get to talking. But anyway, this is why I always need a bra, because I get sick of this right here. You see that little spillage? It's annoying. This one the good bra. I just don't want my boobs to be looking like that. There we go. They ain't gonna stay like that. Hopefully they will. Let's not down topic. We put on our tree hut, and then we put on a little of our lip oil. I also gotta get a bag to put all my stuff in for my purse. Y'all, ain't nothing in here. Let's go put on some perfume. That's the perfume I fill up that little container when I'm going somewhere. Like if I'm going out, and then I know I'm gonna be out all day, but yeah. I gotta come in this closet and pack up all this summer stuff one day. I'm with this vanilla bourbon just because I've never worn it. I'm not a vanilla girl. That's why I ain't never worn it. But so, since we ain't doing much today, we'll wear vanilla. Yeah, I'm not a vanilla girl though. Probably about to sneeze. But yo, yeah, I get a bag later, but let's get out the house. Yeah. We're gonna get out the house. So I'll see y'all in the car. All right, y'all, we in the car. Made to the car safe and sound. Yeah. Now let's go get these errands out the way. Yeah, I don't like having errands. Another thing.
Sync has connected to your phone and is reminding you that 911 assist is set to off.
I don't like having errands like that I have to do. I like doing errands when I want to. I don't know if that makes sense, but it should. Like, I like, anyway, yeah, I don't like when I have to do something. Like, I like making my own plans. But anyway, I need to go to that front desk and see if they have. Yeah, I'm gonna turn around and go back and check. Cause I need that package. dropped it at the front desk because I could see the picture, the delivery picture, and they dropped it at the front desk. Now, when they came to make the delivery, I told them to get gate access from the front desk, not leave my package at the front desk. And the front desk always be saying they don't accept packages. But why the hell this package on y'all front desk? Look at this police officer. What you call that? Motorcycle car. But yeah, let me go check. And they better not say no. And I done waited too long to report it missing to Target. They just looked. The lady remember seeing it. Because I remember it was delivered on her porch. I mean, it was delivered on her desk. I see the little, you know how they take a proof of delivery? I see that little, what you ever call that thing? She got a little Christmas nutcracker. And I seen that nutcracker in the...
Sync has connected to your phone and is reminding you that 911 assist is set to off.
I seen that nutcracker in the picture of delivery. But now I'm gonna go and check. And then if it's not here, then I go. I do that when I come back though. But since I'm still right here. Yeah, I need that. Yeah, they done put it in the box. Yep, that's what they did. Yup, there you go. That's what she did. Should have checked before I went there. Here you go. Me and my Target pack. And I like to fell down the stairs. Got it, good. All right. All right, off we go again. I'll see y'all when we get out of destination because y'all already shaking like a stripper. All right, y'all. We at the mall and I'm going straight to Skims. Y'all can just go on Skims. I see y'all when we get in Skims because these people bothering me. Skims ain't have absolutely nothing I want. I was looking for the Dolce & Gabbana and the holiday collection, y'all. They ain't have nothing. So, maybe Starbucks because I wanted a hot coffee because it is freezing in this mall, and I knew I was going to the Cheesecake Factory to give me some cheesecake because I've been praying for this cheesecake that I couldn't get. So yeah, that's what's happening. So I wait on my Starbucks drink here, get my drink, and then I take my ass to Cheesecake Factory, and yeah, that's what's happening. So I'm just sitting right here waiting on my drink. So yeah, it was so good. I ain't gonna tell y'all I came here just for this cheesecake. But I can't tell you. Cheesecake Factory is amazing. It's so large. I was thinking about getting something slight. Yeah, look at me having more problems all out of public. I just can't overdo it. I'm gonna just get the cake. So I stopped at Starbucks and I got me a coffee, which is I got the hot gingerbread latte. It's so good. So good. I had it iced already. And then next time I'm gonna do It's a pecan one that I want to try. So I'm gonna try that I was cold. That's why I got a hot drink. I wasn't gonna stop at Starbucks, but I was hot. It's freezing in this house. So let me drink. All right, y'all. Why? I'm finna give y'all the whole little good little 1-2 in my upside down, man. Oh, was it upside down? Child. Yes, it's upside down. Lord Jesus. Ghetto. Let's see how it turns out. I'm gonna eat it either way. Y'all, this pie so good. This is exactly what I was expecting it to look like. Oh, it look fine. It's the cheesecake. This the bit. It's a berry right here. It's a berry right here. It's so good. I don't know if y'all can hear me in the thingamajigger. Cause y'all, this damn cheesecake's so good. This is my favorite one. Girl, it's so good. We got cakes in it, y'all. This reminded me of the first time that I ever tasted Cheesecake Factory. And I was like, this is what this tastes like. All the layers. So good. Mm. Mm. It's so good. It's so good. It's kick your feet up good. I'm gonna save it for my movie tonight. I got pizza in the oven. Just the perfect dessert to pizza. Mm. That man had the audacity, the waiter had the audacity to ask me, do you need a box or you fine? Fine. Boy, if you don't give me the boy, if you don't give me boy, don't piss me off. Don't piss me off. You better give me that you better bring me a damn box so I can take my shit. What are you talking about? Don't piss me off. Mm. Mm-hmm. 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 All right, this last bite. Last bite. I'm gonna save the rest for dessert after dinner. Some shit hyped up. Crumble cookies. Definitely a hype. You know something ain't hyped up. The longevity of it. I'm telling, what this is? Cheesecake Factory they ain't never gonna miss out because of that cake. I'm trying to see why I'm still digging in this damn thing and putting pieces of cake pie still in my mouth. I said last bite 3 bites ago. This shit crazy. That's it. Just the last bite. Okay. Just the last bite for real. Mm. So good. No, what tell you?